Let Garmin show you how to format the microSD card in your Garmin Dash Cam Mini or Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. There are two methods to format the memory card. The processes are the same for both devices. Today, we will be using the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Garmin recommends formatting any new memory card you use in the Garmin Dash Cam Mini or Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Format the memory card at least every 6 months for best performance. Formatting the memory card will delete all content, including saved files. Ensure you have removed all the data you want to keep before formatting the card. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini cannot format the memory card while in parking mode, and the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 cannot format the memory card while in parking guard mode. The memory card can be formatted on the camera itself or within the Garmin Drive app. In this video, we will show you both processes. Let's start with formatting the memory card using the device itself. To begin, connect the Garmin Dash Cam Mini or Dash Cam Mini 2 to vehicle power. Then hold the microphone button for 8 seconds or until the LED light at the bottom of the camera turns green. The LED light will turn red when formatting is complete, and the camera will begin recording. Now, let's go over how to format the memory card using the Garmin Drive app. Ensure the Garmin Dash Cam Mini or Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is turned on and paired with the Garmin Drive app. Then select the gear wheel icon in the top right of the Garmin Drive app. Next, select the Garmin Dash Cam. Select Format SD Card. Read the notice and select Format SD Card again to confirm. The LED light at the bottom of the camera will turn green. The LED light will turn red when formatting is complete, and the camera will begin recording. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.